Can you walk for Jesus without walking with him? It's true. Okay, we saw Mary and Martha, right? So Martha was bothered that I'm the only one, walking in this place. Mary is just doing nothing. And Jesus said, get the major thing. The major thing is sitting at my feet. What is primary is walking with me. Sit and learn of me. What is primary is relationship with me. You can carry activity. You can go about doing evangelism, but if you don't have a walk with me, it's pointless. And we saw this in Luke chapter 10, verse 42. When Jesus was saying, go away from me, you workers of iniquity. I don't know you. Even if you healed in my name, I don't know you, because you didn't have a walk with me. All you did was walk for me. So we saw the priority of Jesus. He's after relationship. Truly he is. And we saw the 72, right? When they came back and they were all excited. We did mighty things in your name. We work for you. And listen to Jesus reply. You should rejoice that your name is in the book of life. You should rejoice that I recognize you. You should rejoice that there is a walk with me that is worthy of recognition. That is being archived in the book of life. And I want to say this, even before I end. You see, what is deeper about your walk with God? The reason why you should embrace your walk with God, not necessarily your work for God, that will flow naturally, is because, you see, we are co-heirs. That's what he called us, joint heirs with him. How can Jesus be calling you to come and be a partner, and you're saying, no, I just want to work for you and collect stipends? Do you understand? What Jesus is really calling us to is partnership. So, now, working with God, we transition into so many levels. And I just want to read them out. I can give you scriptures, but I'll have to read them out. Okay. So, he called the disciples, right? And for a very long time, it was servant and master relationship. Just like a civil servant working a bit. Then he transitioned because he told them, he said, I can't call you servants anymore because I've let you into the secrets. Abi, I've told you the secret of the kingdom. Now I can refer to you as friends. Right? What God is after is relationship, not just working for him. And listen to the progression from that. At the end, when he died, right, and rose again, and he was telling Mary Magdalene to go and tell them, he mentioned my brothers, because they are joint heir. Don't limit yourself with working for God. It's partnership, it's sharing, it's relationship. He wants you to come to the kingdom and co-own it.